Attention all health enthusiasts and energy seekers. Are you tired of reaching for sugary drinks that leave you crashing after just a short burst of energy? Look no further, because today we are unveiling the ultimate energy booster, the best fruit juice for lasting vitality. Introducing the power-packed, nutrient-rich superhero of the fruit juice world, orange juice. Bursting with vitamin C, potassium, and folate, orange juice provides a natural and sustained energy boost that can keep you going all day long. But wait, there's more. If you're looking for an extra kick, grapefruit juice is here to save the day. Packed with antioxidants and essential vitamins, grapefruit juice is not only refreshing, but it also helps to regulate blood sugar levels, providing you with a steady stream of energy throughout the day. For those who prefer a tangy twist, lemon juice is a game changer. Known for its detoxifying properties, lemon juice can combat fatigue and provide a much-needed energy lift. Plus, it's a great way to start your day. Just mix it with warm water and enjoy that invigorating burst of vitality. Last but certainly not least, we have the tropical powerhouse, pineapple juice. Not only does it taste like paradise, but pineapple juice is loaded with bromelain, a natural enzyme that aids in digestion and enhances your body's ability to absorb nutrients. More nutrients mean more long-lasting energy for you. So there you have it, the best fruit juices for long-lasting energy. Whether you prefer orange, grapefruit, lemon, or pineapple, these delicious and nutritious beverages are sure to keep you fueled and energized throughout your day. So go ahead and raise a glass to vitality and make the switch to these ultimate energy boosters. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and delicious recipes. Cheers to your lasting vitality.